All right, so we have a 2018 Honda Accord 1.5T. It is here for hesitation on the highway. So I went ahead and test drove the car, and we're throwing misfires under a load, so under acceleration on cylinder number 3. So counted 114 times on my test drive. So as you can see, we have a DTC here. Let's go ahead and back up real quick and just see what that DTC is. I'm gonna guess it's a PO303. Let's go ahead and confirm that real quick. Give this a second here. All right, and exactly as I said, PO303. So it is pending. No light actually came on, except for the ECU already detected it. So let's go ahead and back out of this. So typically misfires under load is an ignition issue. So I went ahead and swapped out spark plug number 3 with number 2, and also swapped out coil number 3 with number 1. So I put everything in different cylinders and put 2 no good units in cylinder number 3. So at this point, it's either going to be spark plugs or injectors, it seems like. So, but before I do any injector tests, I'm gonna go ahead and do this quick test real quick. You could do it either way you want to do it, but again, since it's under load, typically that is an ignition issue. So that's where I'm going first and headed first that way. Let's just set up here the data list once again. All right, we're going to scroll down here. All right, misfires. So no misfires at this time. Let's go ahead and test drive this and see what we get. All right, so we are going. I'm going to just floor it real quick, see if we get anything here. All right, we picked up a bunch of misfires there. We can see 37. Let me just pull over safely somewhere. We're gonna go ahead and see where that cylinder is, see if it's number 3, number 2, or number 1. And there we go. We got a check engine light system because we did get 2 misfires in 2 different drive cycles. So check engine light finally came on. It is flashing. So this indicates that it's in, it shut down the cylinder so it doesn't destruct the catalytic converter here. So 37 once again, and cylinder number 2. So we have a bad spark plug here. Now this could have went a ton of different ways here, considering that the car has 72,000 miles. The first thing I did was actually look at the coolant level, because typically these cars do have head gasket issues. Now it did have enough coolant, the reservoir had coolant, and the radiator all had coolant. So I didn't suspect a head gasket issue, although initially that's what I thought it may be. Second of all, the car had sat for a couple of hours already, and when I started it, it did not misfire. Usually when it's a head gasket issue, it'll misfire for a couple of seconds until that coolant, kind of disappears and burns off from being in the chamber, from leaking, while it's sat into the chamber from the head gasket. So considering those didn't happen, I immediately suspected something else. Then I test drove it and I got misfires under load. So that immediately made me think ignition, and we were correct here. So 37 misfires in cylinder number 2. So again, I swapped number 3 coil to number 1 and number 3 spark plug to number 2, and it fouled our spark plug. So it looks visually fine, but again, it doesn't mean it is. So we're gonna recommend a set of spark plugs at this time, considering it has 72,000 miles. It is a little bit early, but we have a spark plug that failed. So it's only right to recommend all 4. Now, if the customer wants to go ahead and replace just 1, we'll do that for them. Although the right move here, considering the mileage, we're going to recommend all 4. If I had 10,000 miles, then 1 most likely would be okay. But it's going to need them within 18,000 miles or so regardless. So I'm going to go ahead and recommend it. We'll see if the customer approves it, and then we'll test drive the vehicle once again. All right, so the spark plugs are out here. The customer did approve all 4 spark plugs. This is the one that was giving us issues. Nothing really out of the norm here on either of them, on any of them, I should say. But we have 4 brand new plugs here. We're going to go ahead and install these and confirm our repair. All right, so we have our fresh set of spark plugs in here. Now we're going to do the same similar fashion pull that we did before, and feels way better. No hesitations, no misfires picked up. I think we are good here. We'll do a second one for good measures, and then I'll do a couple off camera. I'll take it on the highway, you know, make sure nothing funny is going on here. And 0 misfires, which is exactly what we like to see. You know, once in a while is okay, but definitely you don't want to see them counting 10, 15, 20, 100, etc., etc. So we are good here. Again, I'm gonna continue test driving this car for a little bit longer, but right when I started driving it last time, it picked up misfires right away. So I believe we are good here, and we have yet another fixed car here. Now, again, this could have went a couple different ways. Luckily, this was probably the most affordable option for the customer here. Although the most unlikely scenario, given the circumstances, that this is a 1.5T, and typically we'd be either looking at injectors and or a head gasket at this mileage. But that's why you can never assume, and you have to do your due diligence and diagnose it properly. So that being said, I'll catch you on the next one.